Exercise.
Yep.
Do a little exercise for
Okay, Clint,
It's
see
all
how
right,
you
Clint.
didn't freak out?
You're good. 2. 3? 3 sets of 5?
4 sets.
4 sets of 5. One more.
5.
5. Catch your breath. Put you back on the ventilator, okay?
There you go. Dude, you're doing so good.
You're doing good, Clint.
Just adjusting it because it feels weird?
Yeah. And then you gotta do, it's new. So
Yeah.
The downside's right, so.
Right.
You need to be suctioned. I can suction you right now, okay? Wait, what time did they change it? I didn't get a time.
I think it was like around 2:30.
Oh, that's still pretty. Yeah, we don't want that there. Let me know when you're ready, buddy, okay?
Better already, huh?
Let me know when you're ready. Take your time. Yep, 3 more sets.
When are you ready, Clint? You tell him, okay?
Yeah, I don't want to overwork you. Ready? Really want to overwork you. Careful. It slips out easy because it's wet, you know?
Right.
So,
And just think about how good you're going to feel when it's done, bud.
okay. What's up? Alright. 1. 2. Three.
Can you hear stuff coming out? Good.
4. Suction? Steady, yes, guys.
You need the ventilator? You need your air back? Okay.
Get your little break.
Okay.
There you go, buddy.
All right. You see it right there, huh?
It's coming out. Yeah, it's good that he's able to, cough some of it out. All right, buddy, I'm coming down. Let's go to 17. Not too deep. Oh yeah, I got a lot out here.
Good.
Nice. You can feel that, huh, Clint?
That's 2 sets.
Feeling a
2
little
more.
better?
He always yawns after it.
Feeling better?
Oh, yeah? Prove it.
You know you're ready.
Ready to go? Let's do one more and then we'll have one more all together. It's okay.
It's 1. Only 2.
Show me the camera, Clint.
There you go. We'll give you your air back so you can catch your breath. You're doing really good.
Nice, dude.
Going to suction you again?
Yes? Yeah, you got 1 more set too, okay?
Yep, after this we do one more round. You're doing really good. Doing really good, baby.
There we go.
Yep. Get those uckies out. Yay!
Catch your breath.
He likes to yawn, look.
He's yawns all the time.
Yeah. Because you feel better, like you can breathe, huh, dude?
Yeah, it opens up,
Yeah.
Clean everything up. You ready?
That's my blood.
Man, that was...
You're strong.
1.
Do that again, Clint. Pretend.
3. 4.
Good job.
Awesome,
Good
dude.
job.
Was that the last step?
Yep. See, when he does that one, he handles it much better. When they did the 3 sets of 7, he was like getting distressed.
Oh, okay.
You're doing really good, huh?
Excellent,
That helps. That's
dude.
better for you the way they changed it, huh? Good.
Do you always
need-
suction one last time?
Suction here again? Let's do it.
Suck these things